Hi, welcome to the Danville Public Library. My name is Nancy, and I'm going to show you a little snack this week. This week we're celebrating Arbor Day, which is about trees and planting trees. Alright, so the things that you're going to need for this snack are some icing, some peanut butter, melted chocolate, anything like that, some marshmallows, some straws. I'm using coconut and some food coloring. So what I've done is I've taken my coconut and I've put it in these plastic bags, and then I've just added a little bit of food coloring. And this is gel, but it doesn't have to be, just any kind of food coloring. So I'm just adding some green to the bag, and then what you do is make sure it's sealed nice and tight. You don't want any explosions around here. And you shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 until all of your coconut is colored. Now, if you like this color, you can leave it. If you need more color, you can add more color. But that's all you have to do. Mix it up in the bag, just like that. And I have some straws. And so the next thing that I'm going to do after I've mixed my frosting, well, not made my colored coconut, is I'm going to take my straw and I'm going to put it right in the center of my marshmallow, just like that. Just like if you were getting ready to roast it over a fire, like a toasted marshmallow or a marshmallow for s'mores. Yummy. Then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of my frosting and I'm just going to spread it all the way around my marshmallow. Like I said, if you don't want frosting, you can use peanut butter, you can melt a little chocolate, just something nice and sticky. Once you have your marshmallow all covered, you're going to take your coconut in the bag and you're just going to put your little marshmallow in there and you're going to just turn it round and round in the coconut. And there we have it, my own little tree, kind of like the truffle trees. Now I did one earlier that's kind of a reddish color. This one's green, but maybe you'd like two colors. So what you could do is take your straw, put it in your marshmallow. Again, you're going to cover it with some frosting. Just like that. Some on the top. Just want to make sure that it's nice and covered because that's what helps the coconut stick to the marshmallow. Once you have it nice and covered, then I'm going to try something different this time. I'm going to first put it in this yellow, just like this. And then I'm going to turn around and put it over here in this blue one. And there's my crazy, wacky, blue, yellow tree. So try this at home, see what you think, and of course, it's totally edible. So when you have it together and you have it the way you like, you can take a little bite. Oh, so delicious. Come to the library, check out books about making things like this or trees. Tell us you've been reading, win prizes. Hope to see you soon. Bye.